Pricing your passion for creating upcycled wood and metal artwork is a nuanced skill that requires a deep understanding of the elements that contribute to the true value of your creations. In an age where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, the ability to accurately price upcycled pieces can help you find a balance between making a profit and appealing to eco-conscious consumers. This art of pricing extends beyond simple cost calculations. It involves dissecting the various facets of your work, including the value of salvaged materials, the labor invested in crafting each piece, and the unique artistry that transforms industrial discards into coveted decor. By mastering these principles, you can effectively position your creations in the marketplace, attract premium buyers, and generate high profits while aligning with the growing demand for eco-luxury decor. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. To start with, understanding the true value of salvaged materials is crucial. Upcycled wood and metal often come with their own histories and characteristics, giving each piece a unique story that can enhance its perceived worth. When sourcing materials, consider not just the initial cost, but also the potential value they hold in terms of aesthetics and appeal. For instance, reclaimed wood from vintage barns or industrial settings tends to have a richness and character that mass-produced materials lack. Similarly, salvaged metal with patinas or unique qualities can add visual interest and depth to your creations. This intrinsic value isn't always immediately reflected in the initial purchase price. Often, it gains value through the skillful engagement of the craftsperson. Recognizing this potential allows you to set a baseline for pricing that goes beyond mere material costs and taps into the broader story and uniqueness of each piece. Next, one must factor in labor costs when pricing upcycled creations. Labor encompasses not just the physical act of crafting, but also the time and expertise that goes into transforming raw materials into finished products. This can include a range of activities: sourcing the materials, preparing them for use, designing, crafting, sanding, and finishing. Each aspect of the creation process adds to the overall value of the piece. It is essential to calculate your labor at a fair hourly rate that reflects your skill level and experience, as well as the complexity of the work involved. Many artisans undervalue their time, particularly in the early stages of their craft, but recognizing the worth of your labor ensures that you are compensated fairly for the value you bring to your creations. This not only supports you financially, but also acknowledges the skill and dedication that goes into each work of art. Artistry is another significant factor that influences pricing. The artistic vision behind a piece can elevate its value, especially when the work embodies originality and creativity. When setting a price, consider the uniqueness of your design and how it sets your work apart from mass-produced alternatives. Artistic merit can be subjective, but incorporating elements like design innovation, craftsmanship, and a personal touch contributes to a piece's appeal. Artistry also encompasses storytelling. Pieces that come with a compelling narrative about the materials used, the creation process, or your inspiration tend to resonate more deeply with buyers, making it easier to justify higher prices. Consequently, you should consider how best to communicate the story behind each piece, both through your marketing strategies and the collaborative experiences you offer potential buyers. As you examine the intersection of materials, labor, and artistry, it becomes clear that understanding your target audience is equally essential in determining pricing strategy. High-profit eco-luxury decor often attracts buyers who appreciate sustainability and are willing to pay a premium for unique, handcrafted pieces. This demographic typically values quality and aesthetics over price alone, meaning they are more likely to invest in creations that reflect their values and sense of style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Knowing your audience facilitates more informed pricing by allowing you to align your pricing strategy with the perceived value your products offer them. This awareness can inform decisions about where to sell your creations, whether at local artisan markets, upscale boutiques, or online platforms that cater to eco-conscious shoppers. To effectively price your creations for a premium market, it's crucial to also consider the competitive landscape. Researching what similar artists charge can provide valuable context and help you position your work accordingly. However, be mindful not to merely undercut your competition in a race to the bottom. Instead, focus on highlighting the unique qualities of your pieces that set them apart, thus justifying your pricing. Don't be afraid to embrace the eco-luxury identity. This positioning allows you to tell a broader story about sustainability, craftsmanship, and artistic integrity, moving beyond straightforward comparisons based solely on price. Another powerful strategy for pricing is to capture the initial costs accurately and transparently, including material procurement, labor hours, and additional expenses associated with overhead. This refined pricing model helps maintain profitability while avoiding the pitfalls of hidden costs that can erode profits. When you meticulously account for these elements, you craft a solid foundation for future pricing strategies, ensuring that each decision is grounded in your overall goals as a creator. In addition to the tangible aspects of pricing, you must also embrace the emotional connection that buyers develop with unique pieces. Individuals seeking eco-friendly decor often look for items that resonate with them on a personal level. Offering customization options or engaging with clients to create tailored designs can enhance buyers' emotional investment, elevating their willingness to pay higher prices. When buyers see that they are part of the creative process, it fosters a sense of ownership and pride in the items, further justifying premium prices. Moreover, creating an engaging brand narrative around your work can significantly influence how buyers perceive its value. This narrative should weave together your artistic journey, the stories behind your materials, and your commitment to sustainability. In an increasingly digital age, utilizing social media and your website to convey this narrative can capture the attention of potential buyers and create a devoted following. When people resonate with your story, they are more inclined to support your endeavors, even at a higher price point. As a result, establishing a strong personal brand can be a powerful tool in elevating the perceived value of your work in the marketplace. Additionally, consider the varying price points for different types of products within your range. Offering a range of items, from more affordable smaller pieces to luxury items that showcase your best work, can attract a wider audience. While smaller items can help build customer relationships and showcase your craftsmanship, high-end pieces can appeal to collectors or those seeking statement decor. Understanding this range will empower you to calibrate your pricing across the spectrum of your creations, maximizing your reach in the market. Lastly, creating an engaging customer experience can enhance perceived value and justification for higher prices. Providing exceptional service, whether through personalized recommendations, sharing behind-the-scenes insights into your creation process, or allowing customers to see your passion for craftsmanship, can elevate the transaction from merely a purchase to an experience. Engaging with customers through educational content about the benefits of upcycled materials can also build brand loyalty while instilling confidence in their purchasing decisions. In pricing your upcycled wood and metal creations is an art that requires a comprehensive understanding of material value, labor costs, artistry, and audience engagement. By diligently assessing each element involved in your creations and leaning into the narratives that accompany them, you can effectively position your work in the eco-luxury market, attracting buyers who appreciate their uniqueness and story. The journey of mastering pricing is not merely about labeling each piece with a numerical figure. It's about weaving together the story of material, labor, and artistry into a price that resonates with consumers willing to pay for quality, sustainability, and craftsmanship. As you harness these principles, you can successfully transform what was once considered industrial discards into high-profit decor that enriches the lives of your customers while promoting an eco-conscious narrative, embodying both art and purpose. Through thoughtful pricing strategies, you not only ensure the sustainability of your craft, but also inspire a community dedicated to celebrating creative expression through the lens of upcycling and eco-friendly design. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.